Hi, and welcome. Maintaining interoperability of the manufacturing and automation assets on the factory floor may seem like a hard task, but it doesn't have to be that way. Thanks to UAFX, integration of components from various vendors using a common, vendor-neutral network is made possible, while ensuring that all core features of OPC UA, such as information modeling and security, are available by default in UAFX products. Let's dive into a simple example. The machine builder finalizes the programming using an engineering tool from a specific vendor for the machine, which is powered by that vendor's controller. This process creates a tailored user program that is essential for the machine's operation. Alongside the user program, UAFX descriptor files are generated, defining the machine's communication and configuration interface. The machine is now complete, packaged with its user program and UAFX descriptor files ready for deployment. The machine is shipped to its destination, and the UAFX descriptor files are delivered to the local system integrator for further configuration. At the factory, orchestration of the equipment will be realized using Mitsubishi controllers. The UAFX descriptor files are imported to the Mitsubishi engineering tool, revealing interfaces of the installed equipment in a graphical form. The system integrator programs the orchestration logic, including control and feedback variables, which are aligned with equipment's input and output variables based on the UAFX descriptor files. The orchestrating controller is integrated with its user program and connection configuration. With the configurations deployed, both the machine and the orchestrating controller are fully prepared for UAFX communication. In our live demo, the orchestrating application implemented in IQR1 and the machine simulated by IQR2, which have been both pre-configured according to the illustrated workflow, are communicating with UAFX. Thanks for tuning in. Learn how UAFX integration can optimize your automation engineering.